2023 is a pinnacle year for real estate in the Canadian economy. After this spring market, we'll be looking out for any signs of a recession. And I've already started getting that ball rolling. So what I did is I gathered all the data and all the average sale prices of homes in the Ottawa area since 2008 to see if I could see any technical changes or technical patterns as I would with any other stock chart. And what I found is very interesting. So let's go over to the whiteboard and take a look at what I found out. So this here is a drawing of the Google Sheet I made with all the average prices. I zoomed it in and drew it the best I could. Obviously these peaks here and this peak here isn't as accurate as what it is on the Google Sheet, but it's as close as I could get it to exactly what it showed me. So COVID was around here and then it climbed up to $758,983, and it found its top in March 2021. And then after that, in the summer months, it fell down to $674,763 in August of 2021. And then after that, it rallied through the winter months. The average sale price went up to $854,142. That is the all-time high in the Ottawa real estate market. And that was in March of 2022. And then after that, it fell just as fast as it climbed to December 2022 at the price of $655,839. And this is where it gets to be a little more interesting. Prices did not fall further, even though the mortgage rates were raised 250% from that all-time high in March of 2022. And all news stations are quietly talking about recession, and instead, in December of 2022, we bounced. And now we are sitting at the price we are today at $710,070. Interest rates are at a standstill, and the U.S. Federal Bank, which the Bank of Canada follows very closely, is saying that we're entering into a mild recession. Aren't these the same folks that told us that inflation was going to be transitory? Well, now we know that is bogus. So who's to tell that they're telling the truth now? So that being said, if housing prices go back up to this line at 758,000 around there, we have technically hit a resistance point. Will it keep going up? Will it just hang out around there at 750,000, or will it roll back over and tumble down? Considering the loads of negativity around the financial world and commercial properties prices dropping, the probabilities are that it will roll over. And if it does roll over, it'll fall to the price bracket of 650,000 to 625,000. And then at that point, the market has a very big decision to make. I'll be tracking all of this. Make sure to check out my next video on the market where we continue looking at these indicators and see where the market could possibly be heading. A good way for you to know when that video comes out is to, one, go down, subscribe, and then also while you're down there, you might as well hit the bell icon so you get a ping on your phone and you know exactly when you need to watch that video. So what exactly does this all mean for you? Be cautious and aware if you bought a home already and bought it during COVID. I don't want this video to instill fear in you. It's really just to educate you and show a different perspective on which way the market could go. I'm really just putting this video out so that you can best prepare yourself for what could be coming. So what you can do today, start paying off your mortgage faster now. Pay off that principal with larger mortgage payments so that you have less carry. Start spending less and really tightening up those finances. Let's say it doesn't go this direction that I'm laying out there. Let's say it goes up. The worst thing that could happen is that you save more money and you have more of your mortgage paid off. And if you don't own a home, keep watching my upcoming videos so you can educate yourself and increase your probabilities of buying that home when it is exactly right for you. This is technical analysis, another method along with economic knowledge and past facts, all put together to increase the probabilities of you finding the right home at the perfect time for you. However, remember, this is all still speculation. This all may not happen. However, the research out there and a lot of other analysts are coming to this conclusion that this is a very good possibility of happening. So all in all, don't take this as financial advice, just another perspective when looking at the market as a whole. If you have any friends or colleagues that you think could benefit from this knowledge, feel free to pass them my way. Have them subscribe to the channel, share my video with them. I'd be glad to answer any questions you or they have. And the best ways to connect with me are in any of these social media platforms that I have in my description. Go down there, send me a message, send me an email, we can chat. You can get my opinion on things. We can figure this all out together because this is a very confusing world and I understand that. I'm just trying to present this information in an understandable way for you at home. If you want to see my very next video, you can click right here or here, and you can go right to that to learn more about the market or learn more about Ottawa real estate. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.